Good morning, everyone. Let's continue our chapter. We are on the next page, page number 62. Yesterday we have covered topic, does everyone have access to the courts? We are doing same topic. Just read it. For the common person, access to court is access to justice. The court exercise a crucial role in interpreting the fundamental rights of citizen. As you saw in the above case, the courts interpreted Article 21 of the Constitution on the right to life to include the right to food. They therefore ordered the state to take certain steps to provide food for all, including the midday meal scheme. So this is the part of the court in our life, that the fundamental rights which are provided to us by the constitution. The courts make sure that these rights are not violated by anyone, or we are getting all this right, nobody is harming to anyone, and right to food, right to life, this type of rights are provided to everyone. So court ensure all these things to us. So however, there are also court judgments that people believes work against the best interest of the common person. For example, activist who works on the issue concerning the right to shelter and housing for the poor believe that the recent judgments on evictions are a far cry from the earlier judgment. While recent judgments tend to view to the slum dweller and an encroacher in the city, earlier judgments like the 1985 the Olga Teles versus Mumbai Municipal Corporation had tried to protect the livelihoods of the slum dwellers. So these are the things that the judgment do for us. So now there was a word eviction. So what is the mean of that? Let me clear to you. In this, it is a removal of the person from land and home, from land or homes, you can say, that they are currently living in. So firstly, it is very important to clear this word, that what is it. And so this was the judgment on the persons, like on the people who were living in the slum areas in the cities, and the people or the municipal corporation has forced to them for to that person to remove from that land from where they were living. So this type of case this was. So now you can read the full story, that what was it. It is given in this box. This you can read it, and then you will be clear all about this, that what it is story about. So now come to the next page. So another issue that affects the common person access to justice is the inordinately long number of years that courts take to hear a case. The phrase justice delayed is justice denied is often used to characterize this extend time, the period that courts takes. Yes, this is, you can say, this is the you can say the disadvantage of the court, that court takes so much time for the case. Like if there is any case and the court takes decision after so long time, like it can take 7 years, 8 years. You have listened many issues in the TV, or you have seen in the medias also, that sometimes the case is pending and it is taking long time to take the decision. So sometimes it case trouble for the people who has filed the case. So in a speech made on 26 November 2007, the Chief Justice of India, KG Balkrishnan, noted that Indian judiciary consists of one Supreme Court with 26 judges, 21 high courts with a sanctioned strength of 725 judges, and 14,477 subordinate courts, judges of 11,767 as on 31st December 2006. Now the number of judges in India also given here, that you can check. So however, in spite of this, there is no denying that judiciary has played a crucial role in a democratic India, serving as a check on powers of the executive and the legislature, as well as in the protecting the fundamental rights of citizens. The member of the Constituent Assembly had quite correctly envisioned a system of courts with an independent judiciary as a key features of democracy. So this was a lesson about the judiciary, that why the judiciary was important, what roles it plays in a human life, and how we can take the help of courts, how the a citizen has the access to the courts. So this was the lesson. I hope it is clear to you. You can read the lesson from the starting, and if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.